can an Arduino play music? Let's find out. All we're going to need for this project is a piezo buzzer, a 220 ohm resistor, a wire, a breadboard, and an Arduino UNO. The wiring for this is simple. We're going to start by placing our buzzer on our breadboard, connecting from pin 8 to one leg of the buzzer. We take the 220 ohm resistor and go from ground to the other leg of the buzzer. That will be the full wiring for this project. To make sound, the Arduino rapidly switches the buzzer pin on and off thousands of times per second. This creates a square wave, an electronic vibration we can hear as a tone. Each note in music is just a specific frequency or number of vibrations per second. For example, 440 Hz means that the pin turns on and off 440 times per second. This produces the note A. The tone function does exactly that. It takes three values, the pin number, the frequency in hertz, and how long to play that note in milliseconds. By changing both the frequency and duration, we can combine notes into a melody. Let's upload this sketch and we'll see what it sounds like. Uploading our basic tone to our breadboard, we see that we can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star just using the buzzer in the Arduino. What you're hearing is the pin toggling between high and low voltage. Those electrical impulses make the piezo disc flex back and forth, pushing the air and creating sound waves. The faster the toggling, the higher the pitch. But we can push this a little further. What if we try something a little more advanced? Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Bad Apple. I got the code for this from a guy on GitHub named UNO. The link will be provided in the description. But that's how simple tones turn into full songs using an Arduino and a buzzer. Subscribe if you'd like to see more electronics projects. Thanks!